Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to make apple cider vinegar at home. To start, I will be washing the apple that I will be using for this in a clean water. Also in this video, I will be sharing with you the benefit and how to use apple cider vinegar. And after washing the apple and they become clean, I'll be cutting them into smaller size before using them for apple cider vinegar. So as we cut the apple, let me share with you some of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. And so one of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar is that it aids in digestion by increasing stomach acid production, and this helps in the breakdown of food. Apple cider vinegar also help improve skin health. Just dilute apple cider vinegar and apply to your skin as a toner. It reduces acne and soothes skin irritation. And also, apple cider vinegar also help in regulate blood sugar level. Take apple cider vinegar after and before meal and it will help lower blood sugar level. Another health benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it supports weight loss. It helps reduce some calories intake and support weight loss. And after dicing the apple, we remove the seed in between and transfer into a clean container. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties and it can be traditionally used for the cleansing of wound surface, which facilitates rapid healing of wound. And after transferring the apple into a clean container, I'll set it aside. And next, I'll be dissolving 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar in a clean water. And so here I have a bowl of clean water. I will add to it 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and stir together. Stir together until the sugar dissolves completely in the water. Once it's completely dilute, pour the syrup into the apple. Another great benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it helps in heart health because it helps in lowering cholesterol level and reduces blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar also supports the immune system and fight against infection. And after transferring the syrup into the apple, we cover with a cheesecloth. Then I will be using a rubber band to hold the cheesecloth around the bottle. And next, I'll set aside for about a month, though I'll be checking on it from time to time. And this is the 4th day. I'll be bringing it back to check on it. So I open. As you can see, it has started fermenting. So I'll be rotating it with a skewer stick. Repeat this process every 2 days until the fermentation process completes. Apple cider vinegar can be used in various ways, either for healthcare, beauty, and household purposes. And after turning it together, I'll cover with a cheesecloth. Use the rubber band to wrap the cheesecloth around it and set aside once again until the fermentation cycle completes. And this is like the 3rd week of fermentation. So I'll bring it out and check on it. And one way for you to know if the fermentation process is complete is that the water will become clear and the apple will stop floating on top. Next, I will be transferring it into a strainer to strain the vinegar from the apple. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. And after separating the apples from the vinegar, I'll be transferring the vinegar back to the container, then cover and allow to rest for 2 weeks. Though I will check on it every 2 days, I'll open and release excess air from it. I'll repeat this process until the mother is nicely formed. And this is the 2nd week. As you can see from the video, the mother is nicely formed on top, which means our apple cider vinegar is ready. So the next step is to gently separate the mother from the vinegar with the help of a strainer. Please note that apple cider vinegar must be diluted with water, whether you are using it internally or externally. For sore throat relief, dilute 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and gargle the mixture. This will help soothe sore throat. And after separating the mother from the vinegar, here we have our apple cider vinegar ready. Next, I will transfer into an airtight container. Apple cider vinegar can be used in various ways, either for health care, beauty, and household purposes. For skin tone, dilute apple cider vinegar with water ratio 1:1 and apply to the affected skin, and this will help soothe acne or as a toner. And now that I have my apple cider vinegar ready, I will dilute 2 teaspoons in a glass of water. I will mix together and drink for easy digestion. Repeat this on an empty stomach every day for easy digestion. Apple cider vinegar can also be used for cooking. To marinate your meat, mix apple cider vinegar with garlic, herbs, oil for a flavorful marinade. And now that we have our apple cider vinegar ready, I'll set aside and I'll be using the mother we got from that to produce another apple cider vinegar. First, I'll start by transferring it into a bowl and set aside. And here are some apple. I'll start by washing them. Apple cider vinegar can also be used for salad dressing. Mix apple cider vinegar with some spice, herbs, and olive oil and use as a base for the dressing of your salad. And after washing the apple and they become clean, next I'll be dicing them. Apple cider vinegar can also be used for sunburn relief. You can also use apple cider to neutralize bad odor. For hair care, after shampooing your hair, rinse your hair with some diluted apple cider vinegar. That is 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water. This will add shine to your hair. And after dicing the apple, remove the seed in between. Apple cider vinegar can also be used for all-purpose cleanser. Mix equal part of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and use as a natural non-toxic cleaner. And now that you have learned how to make apple cider vinegar at home, just like store-bought, I guess you might be trying this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And please, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and share with your loved ones. And after removing the seed from the apple, next I'll be washing them to make them clean. Transfer into a clean water and wash thoroughly. So I'll start by adding half of the diced apple into the container so that the mother can be in between the apple. So next, I will add some water to the apple. Then I'll be adding the mother at the middle of the apple. But for the mother to be very active for easy fermentation, I'll be adding apple cider vinegar to it. Then I'll add the remaining apple to it gently. Add more water to fill. Cover with a cheesecloth and rubber band around it and set aside. Please watch out for the part 2 to know the outcome of our apple cider. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.